Harold and James.
Kaya dalawa na lang. Parang di po lang magito.
Harold 1, Harold 2.
I hate math. I hate math. Okay. Shara, how was the activity?
Not good.
Not good. Hunter shirt. Wala kang klase?
Wala na tapos.
Well, may good golf ka. Wala ka pa ng good golf? Bakit?
Wala kami na umaga.
Deserve.
Wala, di ako marunong.
Gala! Ayaw ang gala ng gala.
Okay na ulit.
Medyo. Sana.
Hi, Ian Matthews, kasangkal.
Wait lang, parang dilim. Ako lang ba?
Ay, mo? Ay, sorry. Bakit sa...
Kaya mo dito? Hannah, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Ana Michelle Gabriel. And nag-aaral ako sa FU Diliman at ang ulam ko ay pastil. Pastil. Wow.
Oh. Introduce yourself.
Hi. Second year, Shara School. Nag-advance lunch na kaya walang ulam. Introduce yourself. Go.
Good morning. My name is Maximo Sangkay. I am taking up marketing. Thank you.
Amen.
Amen. Hannah Michelle Gabion. Hannah Michelle Gabion. Hannah Michelle Gabion.
Yung towards other people. Ang intrapersonal, yung... Ay, sorry. Tama ba? Yun.
Hindi.
Tangina mo. Ayoko na nga.
Tulog na. Tulog na. Hannah, good morning.
Consideration for the people who are...
Thank you.
Tara. Lo, naka-video na naman siya.
Hi everyone, my name is Jocelyn G. Torres, but you can call me baby.
Siyempre ako to eh. Bye-bye!
Same naman.
Ana, how was the quiz?
What quiz? I thought it was just ano, pagsubok sa buhay. Eh, madali lang siya kung ano, kung kaya mong manghula talaga. Pero kapag hindi kaya ng konsensya mo, mahihirapan.
Yeah. Ako tanongin mo, tanongin mo.
Naka-record na?
Naka-record.
Okay, Ian, how's the quiz in purposive communication?
Ayun, sobrang dali lang hulaan kasi wala akong purposive communication.
Tanong ka ba kanina?
Wala. So lang, bakit?
Say hi, Ian.
Hi.
Make a fun expression.
Tignan mo, hindi ko ito pwede i-post eh.
Hindi
Magkagaguhan
pwede
to
mo
eh.
i-post to.
Papakita ko yun pag
Paano
40
to
na to.
i-post? Oh my God. Hindi ko pa
Hindi
napapost.
mo ka na-post. Shara, how was the quiz?
Not good.
Not good? Bakit? Did you not review?
No?
Why?
Siyempre.
Ikaw yan eh.
Yes. Stop knowledge.
Whoa! Dalawang babae.
Let's play Roblox.
Let's play Dress to Impress.
I play Roblox every day. I play Roblox. I play Roblox every day.
Para tayo tangal dito.
Hindi ako nagmamak ng ano lang, kunwari natapilok. Wala po akong minamak na persons with disability. Oh my God.
Wala na, cancelled ka na.
Video.
Diba, Shara?
It's just my personal experience
Hindi,
kahapon
parang
kasi
iset-
picky ako kahapon and I can't walk
Picky?
properly. Like yung my other foot is ano, hindi makabend ba?
Isid yan sa teacher.
Hannah,
What?
where are we going?
We're going to the zoo, me and you. Going to the zoo. Do-do-do-do. Yung imitation yun. Move it. Karela. Move it. Hi, James.
Bye, Shara.
Bye.
Move it. Karela. Move it. Karela. Move your hips. Ano ba yan? Nakakatakot.
Ana! Bye-bye.
Mga Koreano, no? Kim Jong-wa sa Kim Jong-ong.
Stars, bye-bye.
Bye. Nandito na.